Guys, so with the iPhone 16 release just around the corner, you gotta make sure you order a brand new case before getting your iPhone because you want to get it protected beforehand, right? I mean, unless you're one of those psychos that uses the iPhone without the protection. And I have something for you. This is something that I just received from my friends at CASEKOO. And I know you probably heard that the brand is gonna release the Ghost Case 2.0. I gotta show you this first. And I think they have something cool to offer. And it's going to be for a fraction of a price. And as always, CASEKOO impresses with their box presentation featuring a lenticular image. I mean, it's a little nice touch here from the start you're getting with the receiving of this box. This one in particular is for the iPhone 16 Pro, but let's jump right into unboxing this. I have to be careful when I open it because I know, and I knew it, they're gonna get you some stickers with this as well. Isn't that nice of them? So I don't know who other case manufacturer are gonna give you stickers, huh? Look at this cuties right there. So I think that's a nice addition to everything that you're getting. And this is an introduction paperwork, and the most important part about it, what I think, is you're getting the whole badge magnetic circle, and this is compatible with the MagSafe. And what it is actually is that it's powered with some magnets. It makes it a lot easier to snap on your attachments in your car or whatever you use the MagSafe. I like that. And what I'm gonna show you in just a minute is the actual case right here. And I got the white version of it, the semi-transparent. I'm rocking a similar one on my iPhone 15 Pro, semi-transparent one as well. Let me show you in just a second. I absolutely love it. This one might be even a better color in my opinion. I think I'm gonna enjoy it a little more. We have in the back this thing that works as well as a stand, right? So you can place your phone vertically like this, or obviously you can turn it around like this and use it horizontally as well if you choose to watch some Netflix or whatever. And this one is metal. You can turn around 360 degrees like this and it snaps back, and when it snaps back you're getting a flat surface. Looking in the back, there's a nice bump for the camera protection right here, so when you're gonna place your iPhone on a flat surface, you're not gonna scratch the cameras. On this side right here you have the buttons. There's some branding going on right here. It's pretty subtle, so I like it. On the bottom, all the cutouts you need for the charging port and the speakers. And on the other side you can see this cutout. So this is for the new button that is gonna come out with the new iPhone 16, which is gonna be dedicated for the camera only. And this one is your standard turn off button. There's some branding going on here in the camera cutout. It's not gonna be visible because the phone is gonna live here, but it's a nice touch. Look how cute it is. I like that they went with the silver color for the stand slash MagSafe small logo right here, which is looking pretty solid. Overall, the touch feel is pleasant. It gives you this soft touch feel. It's very pleasant to keep in hand, and I like that it's not too bulky. It seems that the plastic is not super sturdy and pretty elastic, so I can see that it's gonna get a nice protection when the phone is gonna be dropped. Let me know in the comments what you think. What I can see is that this is a very nice addition to my phone, and I think I'm gonna continue to be a fan of CASEKOO from now on because you're getting the right balance between the price and quality. Overall, it's a very well built case, and I think it's a very good competitor to the D brand Ghost case. So let me know if you're gonna grab one for you. You're gonna have all the links in the description below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.